One. Hello, 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 hello to the wonderful world. Hello, you guys. Hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Edwin 21 FX show, whereby I break and give you an insight on the trades that I'm about to take. So, without wasting any time, let's just dive into Swiss yen. Swiss yen is CHFJPY for those who don't know it by name. So, what we have on the daily chart is a pretty textbook type of structure that I usually trade, and that's very simple to even trade. So, now what we have this long leg, and we have this correction, and on in this correction we have our first touch, which is this one, the resistant touch, second resistant touch, and then this is our third resistant touch, giving us a very beautiful pattern. So now this pattern is a rising channel, but it's moving slow. So we have this price broke a high, and then we have, so what we're expecting is price to actually move down from here. So we want price to actually go from here to here. That's the long-term view of Swiss yen. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, what we have is nothing much, but we're just going to focus on the move, on this move. We want this move, which is very good. We just hope for sellers to actually come into the market, push price to these 119,453 areas. However, there might be more buyers, and these buyers might actually push price further to the top, giving us a false break, um, and then we might go to the downside. However, that's not part of the issue. So for now, I'm just going to give you guys a glimpse of what I want to take. So on the higher time frame, we have a 4 resistant touch. Um, this one is our fourth resistant touch. As you can see, price is actually corrective once it's heading to our fourth resistant touch. So how are we going to tackle this matter? How are we going to tackle this opportunity? Because we see an opportunity over here. So we are going to tackle this matter by actually going to the lower time frames, 30-minute chart, just to look at how we are doing on the structure alone. So what we have this sort of structure. I'd say it's an expanding pattern. However, I won't call it an expanding pattern because it's not fully developed yet. So I'm just going to look for an opportunity. If we get a confirmation, then I'm willing to execute this type of structure. Let me just put it here where the actual correction starts, and then yeah, let's just go with this pattern because it's an expanding pattern. 1 1 2 2. So without we're making any mess, I'm just going to remove this, and going to put certain lines that are relevant to this. So what I have was price actually pushed to the upside. As price pushed to the upside, as price pushed to the upside, what I actually got was a break of my support line, and then we have this pulse. Now we have this correction. So we have this beautiful correction. Let's look at the correction now. We're going to focus primarily on this correction. What are we looking for on this correction? So far, prices are rejecting our support line. So there might be a possibility that price would actually continue to the upside, trying to reach this high, which is this one. Then we might get a bit of a let's just draw it, because now these things are capping on me, bro. So we might get, since there's this candlestick indicating that there is a price reversal, we might push to the upside, push to the upside, and then break, come below, form a pattern, and then we push to the lower side, giving us something of a rising pattern. Just and I believe price will actually complete our structure as it is, giving us that expanding, beautiful, more confirmed expanding pattern. For now, I'm just going to remove all of this. So there's a second scenario. Price might actually not break and not go to these areas. It might actually push to the upside, give us something like this, and then we'll drop, give us a pattern, and then drop to the lower, to the lows, which will be these lows. What I'm happy with, I'll be glad if price actually rejects this area to give me that beautiful short, and I'll be happy to take a risk entry on this, giving us a 1% risk to a 3.67 reward. So this is what I'm looking for on the CHFJPY, which is a Swiss yen pair. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. We have a large head and shoulder pattern. We have this pattern. We have this la, shoulder. We have this head. And then now we're trying to complete this shoulder. So if price actually breaks below this line, it will be a fully confirmed head and shoulder, which signals a reversal pattern, which signals that price might actually move to these areas, which will give us a 26 percentage move. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you were good and still alive. Stay safe. Remember to wear your mask, sanitize, and I love you guys.